Persija have a good team, but PSM also have a very good team. And tomorrow we want to win.
Selamat sore. First, today morning, Persija play against PSM Makassar under 18. I want to congratulate the two teams that go to final, and special also to say selamat, congratulations to the new champions, that is from PSM Makassar. So selamat to them. I think it's important that our boys from academy have success. It's important, but we must be humble. Success on academy is not just win a tournament. Must be also to put players on the first team. And I give example. Last season, Percy Solo under 20 and Sleman under 18 be champion. And see now where is the first team. See now where is these players. Very happy for the happiness to see the hard job of the players, coaches, and everybody from academy, but be humble and still work, because it's important to have a good academy on the future that can bring good players for the first team. Okay, about the game tomorrow. Hard game to us against strong team. Persija is a strong team, have good players. It's a team that PSM Makassar for Liga not win since 2017. It's not going to be easy a match tomorrow, but it's opportunity to us to try to change the history. It's not going to be easy. On this moment, there are 6 players that we cannot count for tomorrow, and with us there are 4 players that maybe not 100%. Let's see tomorrow how it's going to be. I hope that the referee make a good game, because it's important for our side to feel independent of the result that the 3 teams was well and win the best team on the field.
Good afternoon. For tomorrow, we know going to be a very hard game. We know Persija have a good team, but PSM also have a very good team. And tomorrow we want to win. We come to Bali for a win the match tomorrow without excuse. We don't care if we don't have players with us. It's unfortunately they cannot help, but for tomorrow we don't have excuse. Tomorrow we come to win. We not have PSM not win this team a long time ago, but tomorrow we want to change the history. For tomorrow, don't have excuse about the referee, because I'm tired of the referee on this Liga Sato. So for tomorrow, they can put the referee against us, but don't care. We come here for win. If we need to play against the referee, how we play many matches before, we will play, and we will win tomorrow.
Besok tim Persija juga kondisinya 20 kali belum menang. Terakhir ya. Nah, nanti besok pertandingan itu saya penting kita kira-kira apa yang mungkin akan perbaiki performa di tim besok.
Since I am here, PSM Makassar never won against Persija. The last winning PSM Makassar against Persija was 2017. Yuran already said that want to win. So let's see tomorrow if we can win or not.
What do you improve the team?
Improve.
Yeah,
Improve.
The 5 games is not win.
Improve.
Yeah.
You saw our matches. You saw our matches. You saw our match against PSV Semarang. See how many chances we have. See how many goals we scored, and how many goals count. See the goal of PSV Semarang was offside. Was offside. And you want to develop the referee. What happened with Persija, we cannot control. what can happen with us, we can try to control. If the game can be fair. And this is what I just desire. Tomorrow, game fair. If Persija be better than us, selamat to them. But I don't want to finish the match and feel that the referee helped Persija. This is I don't want. And also I don't want Wazit help PSM Makassar. Okay? No need. Just want a fair play. Just this.
Anda sudah berapa bermain lapangan kita sendiri yang merasakan atmosfer untuk stadion. Kira-kira pertandingan besok seperti apa? Tayangan Anda besok kira-kira?
I don't know how will be the atmosphere tomorrow, but I already play here, empty stadium. I already here to play full stadium, and I know the atmosphere here. And I know I need to sometimes I need to push, not myself, I need to push the team for can play well. And if the supporters, all the PSM supporters come to the stadium, I sure we're gonna have a very good invitement on the stadium. Can help us for tomorrow.